Have you ever had a cake so moist and creamy? It disappears in minutes?
My friend Irena from Albania told me about this cake. She said it's so simple and delicious that everyone should try it. It's rich, moist, and perfect for sharing with friends and family. Today I'll show you how to make it.
Tres leches means 3 milks in Spanish. It's a sponge cake soaked in evaporated, condensed, and whole milk. It's popular across Latin America, especially for birthdays and family gatherings. Let's get started. Beat the yolks with sugar until pale and creamy. Add milk and a few drops of vanilla extract. Sift all-purpose flour and baking powder into the bowl. Mix gently until combined. In a separate bowl, beat the egg whites with a pinch of salt. Gradually add sugar and keep beating until stiff peaks form. Add the meringue. Mix the first part well to lighten the batter. Actually, this is my first time making this cake. Somehow, my first tries almost never fail, even with recipes I've never done before. For the rest, gently to keep it airy. Pour the batter into a baking dish lined with a parchment paper. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Let it cool completely. Mix evaporated milk, condensed milk, and whole milk. Add rum for extra depth. Poke holes in the sponge. Pour the mixed syrup little by little in several rounds. Let the cake absorb all the syrup. Cover and refrigerate for at least 3 hours. Overnight is even better. Whip heavy cream with powdered sugar and a few drops of vanilla. Spread the whipped cream on the top of the cake. For a clean finish, trim the edges before cutting into pieces. This gives your shape beautiful slices. Decorate with fruits if you like. Now it's ready to serve. It's so soft and creamy. The sweetness is rich but not heavy, and the milk has soaked all the way through. Thanks to Irena, I can share this beautiful cake with all of you. Through food, we connect, and every shared bite tells a story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.